The fuck is this guy doing? All right. This is a trade recap of Friday the 10th, 2025. This is the first trade of the year. As you can see, today, Friday, we made 276 Canadian. That's about, you can see I have a 15K account Canadian. Let's say 150 is 1%. It's about almost 2% on a day. First trade of the year. Yesterday I just did a little trade just to see if my account working. So I lost $12, whatever. Yeah. So this is the first trade of the year. Just bought this funded. I've been trading with a funded. Past one got a payout last year, but it was like on and off discipline wise. So it's a new year. This is my funded. I'm gonna pass this. This is not meant for people to watch. This is just meant for me. So if you see this video, click off right now. Do not watch this. This is just meant for my journal. Okay. So yeah, this is the day of Friday. Super clean trade. This shit was actually like hella clean. Really, I messed with this shit. So pre-market, what was happening pre-market? Let me look at the hour. Daily bias wise, yeah, so this is what I saw daily bias wise, right? Daily bias wise, we took out like all these highs here. We basically like swept all these highs. As you can see, like right here, this wick right here. Okay. So I was looking at daily bias, pre-market. I did see that high, which led to a move down, you know. So this is where's 830 at? This was like 8:30 news. Okay, so we moved down. So like I didn't really have a daily bias, but it was definitely sell based on these draws in liquidity down here. Because of that. I was kind of like, how you say, cautious. Because this is a news candle, right? We already took the news candle low. Usually, like, when that happens, like, news candles have a lot of liquidity, in my opinion. I don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe I could be wrong. But off what I've been seeing, I've been trading for about, like, let's say a year. I'm about to be a year in February. I see, like, usually liquidity from news candles is kind of like a key level that wants to get swept. So this shit got swept over here. Took this low. So there's a new low. So, like, I was already waiting for the retrace. But pre-market, from 8:30 to 9:30 was the rebalancing of this price. Okay, so if I bring on my fib, already I was looking for, like, let's say forget this over here. I was looking for us to come to. I wanted OTE, you know, that's what I was looking for. So fast forward. Let's mark this out. This is equilibrium right here. We'll mark this one out. This line right here. So let's just say fast forward, boom, boom, boom. I already have these marked. So let's say fast forward. Market open this candle right here, okay? So this equilibrium, we tap into this fair value gap. The thing about it is you have to watch out. So like I didn't know if we're gonna trade higher to rebalance this price more into OTE, into up here more, or just react off equilibrium. But we hit equilibrium, which is a good sign, and kind of reacted off it once, came up again. Now, these are my two things I was really looking at this moment. This fair value gap right here. I'll mark it more precisely. That one right there, and this one down here. The thing about this one, I've been so many times where I've taken trades targeting like equal lows, targeting liquidity, and it's reacted off the last fair value gap and reversed on me. You know, because this one especially is in direct OTE. So if it's gonna go up to rebalance this, it would react off this more, you know, because you already swept this low, break a structure to the upside. It's gonna react off this if we're gonna go up. So that's the one thing I was looking at. Once this got reversed, I knew like it was gonna go down. Okay, so we inverse this. We come up, we kind of fill it, we kind of break above it, but we still kind of fill it, and then we're getting this reaction. I tried to enter off here. As you can see, I see you have 2 hours here. Just the thing is, I didn't see. I was risking 10%, not one. So every tick was like $50. I was like, oh, let me chill out. So I took my thing. I'm like, damn, okay. Let me just wait for another entry. You could have entered off here. You could have entered, but still, I was waiting for this because this reacted, you know. So coming up, like this was kind of scary, you know. You got a big wick again, you know. real time, like this wick happens, you're seeing the body form this way. So I'm like, damn, more bullish pressure. But we do a reverse like this. Once we inverse this, I knew it was free game, right? So I entered here. I entered off the inverse. Wait for this candle close, right? And my stops. I remember my stop was like kind of whack. I'm not gonna lie. My stop was like pretty bad. My stop was right here. Was this order block or breaker block? I forgot the word. Whatever, one of them. The order block is this is a breaker. This breaker will turn into an order block because now we're in a downtrend, right? So I don't even know. This shit confuse me sometimes. Okay, but that's what I'm looking at, right? Boom. You could have waited for the pullback. Like, you could have waited for here, but like better entry. It's just I thought it was gonna run without me, but that's just my own psychology. So I entered here. Boom. My first TP. I was gonna take this low, but like I didn't want a 1-to-1, and I already knew. Like I knew off the daily low, it's like where okay. See, this is just glitchy as hell because this is a wick on the lower time frame, but I knew we were getting this. Like we're downtrending the whole week, you know. We're downtrending the whole week. Like we're gonna grab this liquidity over here, if we're gonna go down, you know. I did look at a 15-minute because that one was pretty decently far away, you know. So that was this is this low right here. I did mark these 15-minute lows too, just over here. That was like my first TP. I might be yapping, bro. I don't know. This shit works for me, though. So, there shouldn't be no one watching this. But if someone's watching this, then I don't even know. But, so boom, we get that retrace. We get a nice dump to TP1, like, very perfectly. Felt pretty good. I cashed that one out. Took my TP. I took, like, 70% off there. And then came up. You could have re-entered here off this fair value. Boom. Another dump. Boom, TP2 cashed. My TP3 I marked. I should have left a runner. But like that was kind of far and it's a Friday, you know? So it's like I didn't expect that much volume, but really some clean price action. Oh shit. Yeah, I mean that's not really much. That's not anything else I gotta say to this. Like this is just a pretty clean day. This is looking at a bad stop, that's the thing. Cause at the time, like I think I'm lying to you guys. I think I put my thing here. I put my stop here, just at the OTE line, you know? Because, like, OTE is just kind of where it wouldn't really go past. That's why I didn't want to take it here, because it was, like, kind of like, this is, like, a less of a 1-to-1. It's, like, a 0.75R. This is, like, a 1-to-1, or 1 point some. So I took that, and I took a 2R here, and made it about 2% of the day. That's about it, to be honest, like. Yeah, that's about it, to be honest. So I don't even know what else to say, but yeah, hopefully next week's gonna be nice. If it's not, it's not. That's the whole game, you know. Yeah.